How to plant radishes for deer. Food plots are used as a way for animal watchers and hunters to attract and track the habits of deer and other animals. When starting a food plot that is intended for deer, it is important to include plants that they have a natural affinity for. Radishes are one of the most popular choices for deer food plots. In order to ensure that deer are attracted to the radishes planted in your food plot, you must position them in an area that will feel safe to the deer and pique their natural curiosity. Things you'll need: radish seeds, shovel, fertilizer. Find an area that is suitable for a deer food plot. Generally, it is a good idea to plant them on the edge of a wooded area around the base of trees. The hardiness of radishes allows you to plant them next to other plants and natural weeds without worrying about their ability to flourish. Determine when to plant your radishes. Radishes grow best when planted in late spring or early autumn. Decide the time of year you wish to track deer, and use that to determine which planting season will be best for you. Use a shovel to turn the dirt of the area you plan to plant your radishes in. You should also remove any grass and rocks from the dirt. Apply a thin layer of fertilizer over the dirt, and mix it in using your shovel. Plant your radish seeds. When putting your seeds in the dirt, make sure you do not push them more than an inch below the surface. This will make it easier for the seeds to germinate. Water the seeds. It is best to give the seeds at least an inch of water after planting them. Remove any trash and other debris used for planting the food plot. It is best to avoid visiting the food plot after planting, as the scent of a human can keep a deer from approaching it. Tips: warnings. Radishes are able to withstand a heavy frost without damage, which makes them an excellent choice for winter food plots. Radishes are fully grown after 3 to 4 weeks. Additional watering after planting isn't necessary. The hardy nature of radishes makes them resistant to droughts.